Good morning, Facebook. How's everybody doing out there today? It's Dante Bueno, OnlyWoodFloors, and we are here in Fullerton, California, and we are going to sand and refinish this floor. Customer doesn't know if they want to stain yet. They might go natural, they might stain. Just depends. Let me turn this thing around and show you guys what we got going. Okay, so that's our floor. It's definitely oak, half-inch by 2-inch oak. Some of the characteristics on it look like red, some of it look like white, so we'll get a little bit better idea once we start sanding. But to the homeowner's surprise, he had carpet here. Got left this house, carpet all over throughout the house, lifted up the carpet, and bam, saw that there was wood floors. Now these dark spots, these are like pet urine, you know, tenant before had a dog in here, so they'll pee on the carpet, soak straight down to the wood floor, leaves these dark spots. So unfortunately, stuff like that, we don't know if that's going to come out until we start sanding, but 90% of the time it does come out. Well, let me go ahead and take you guys through here. It's the hallway. Again, you can see like a lot of the glue marks and all that stuff from where the carpet was. One room is probably the best room in the best shape. But again, like I said, we'll get everything sanded and we'll see where we're at. There's our Hummel, does the majority of the work, sands everything clean. All right, so like I said, I'm gonna lay down a couple of samples for the homeowner here, and I believe he wanted to see a sun bleach with the white, which is probably a little too light for his floor, being with the stain, but we'll see. Also, he wanted to see natural, and then golden brown and dark walnut. So we're gonna see what we could get and see what he picks later on. Everybody have a good day. I'll do a little video update in a bit. Everyone have a good one.